Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. So first of all, I'll ask you to subscribe this channel if you like algo trading, or in future we will also discuss different strategy how to trade and how to basically be profitable in stock market. Because I know I've seen many traders ask me what to buy, what not to buy. Like, you need to analyze, you need to know how to analyze anything, gold, silver, stock, anything. You before trading you need to know how to analyze. Or if you don't know how to analyze, just don't go for anyone's suggestion. You should take one advisor, ask one advisor to advise you, because entering stock is not very important. The most important thing is how to exit stock or any other asset. Like, you should know when to exit. If you don't know when to exit, you can't make profit in market. You can toss the coin and enter in any stock, but if you know how to exit and how to manage your trade, you will be profitable. Okay, so let's start. In this video we will discuss how to analyze our back testing. Okay, so for that, first let's go to our code that we have made here in SMA. Here it's written 3 in your code, change it to 4. 3 is basically number of column, it was low, so you can see 3 is basically 0 1 2 3. 3 is low, 4 is close. I don't know how I done that mistake. I'll change in website. I'll make changes in website. We'll just run it. Take 2-3 like 10 or 11 second, I don't know. It depend on different systems. So like if you have lower RAM and like you are working with different things, like Chrome is open, so it will take some longer time. Okay, you have to manage it. So here it is. Here are like first let's copy them. These are trades. So let's make Excel file, Microsoft Excel. Just copy paste it. So as you can see, everything is coming in one line. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to take them in separate columns. For that, if it may come in separate column in your Excel, it's well and good. If not, then see how to do it. First select the column, then go to data, then text to columns. Okay, then not fixed width, I think. Yeah, after selecting fixed width, 1 second, select delimited. Okay, select delimited, then select space. It will create lines here. Okay, next finish. Okay, so I'll add one more column for clarity. Insert date, time, this is price. Okay, section profit, one loss. Okay, losses happen, one stop loss here, again one stop loss, one stop loss here. Here on 8th there is, on 12th stop loss here, then on 13th. I can't see many stop loss together on the same day, like here it is on 19th. Okay, so on 19th we have one profit and two losses, so it's 19 is break even, cause our profit taking is at 0.2% and loss is 0.1%. Okay, so we are break even on 19th. We didn't do loss on 19th, but still we will see what go wrong. Okay, so on 19th here it is, it was first trade where we go wrong was at 145, then next was at 215. Okay, so at 145 it has made this candle, it has gone down. That's why on 245 it has made this candle and it has gone down. It has just crossed very near to the average and it closes down in next candle. So this day was basically sideways, it doesn't give any trend, so we had loss. See, losses happen. You can use some, like if I use MACD also. Okay, so MACD we would have taken this trade also. Like there may be some indicator which you have used and you wouldn't have taken this trade. You have to find out that indicator. Okay, and include it in your strategy. That indicator should not reduce your profitable trade to a large extent and should reduce your stop, like losing trade, to a large extent. So here we can see till 19th in long trades we have made a profit in large number of trade and losses in some less number of trades. Okay, so that's it for backtesting, like how to analyze your backtesting. You can check your backtesting on different stocks. Just go and check on Adani Ports, Infi, TCS, ONGC, Oil India. Check on these and see in which stocks you are getting large number of stop losses, means many losing trades and less long trade, and like select 10 or 15 stocks, check on them on every time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, check on these three. Then next thing you have to do is assign which you feel is better, like which time frame is better for you and which stock is better. Okay, so just analyze like this, then you will get to know which kind of stocks are better for you to trade and which kind of stocks that are not. Okay, so I'll just stop here. Share this video, share as much as you can, and comment below how you like it and what you have learned. Like this video and also do subscribe to this channel and ask your friends who may be interested to subscribe this channel and to see video and to learn. Thank you. Have a nice day.